Okay, hi, good day. So today we will be doing June 2022 number 1. And the question number 1, the fractions part of the question. They said using a calculator or otherwise find the exact value of 7 over 8 plus 1 over 6 divided by 2 over 9. And anytime you have a mixed operation like this, we have to follow BODMAS. Right now, BODMAS tells us the order in which we have to carry out our operations. B stands for brackets, O stands for power, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Right? So we look at this, we have 7 over 8 plus 1 over 6 divided by 2 over 9. So if we go along, we don't have brackets, so you're going to cross it out. We don't have power, so you cross it out. But we do have division. So we need to divide 1 over 6. Let's put this in black instead of pink. We need to divide 1 over 6 divided by 2 over 9 first. So we're going to do this part of the question first because according to BODMAS, we do the operations in this order. So 1 over 6 divided by 2 over 9, 1 over 6, it turns to multiplication. And this fraction after the division sign is flipped. So instead of 2 over 9, it's going to be 9 over 2. So you ask yourself, we're going to compare numerators and denominators. Can any number go into 9 and 2 at the same time without leaving a remainder? No. What about 9 and 6? Yes, 3 could go into 9 and 3 could go into 6. So 3 into 9 is 3 and 3 into 6 is 2. So now you're going to have 1 by 3 is 3 and 2 by 2 is 4. So we know that this first part here is this part here with 1 over 6 divided by 2 over 9 will convert to 3 over 4. So we have 7 over 8 plus 3 over 4. Right? This is an addition of fractions. The first thing you do when you are adding fractions, we look to see if our denominators are the same or different. They are different, so therefore we have to find something called LCM. So you're going to use 8 and 4. Right? What number could go into 8 and 4 at the same time? That is a prime number. The smallest prime number that could go into 8 and 4 at the same time is 2. So you say 2 into 8 is 4, 2 into 4 is 2. So you use 2 again. 2 into 4 is 2, and 2 into 2 is 1. We don't have 1, 1, so we have to use 2 again. So 2 into 2 is 1, and 2 into 1 cannot say bring down the 1. So now we can find our LCM by multiplying these numbers at the side here. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 2s are 8. So our LCM between 8 and 4 is 8. And then you're going to compare the denominators, right, with your LCM. So you're going to compare 8 and 8. 8 could go into 8 one time, so you multiply the numerator of that fraction by 1. Then you're going to say 4 into 8 is 2. You're going to multiply the numerator of that fraction by 2. So 1 7 is 7 plus 3 2s are 6. So the question is now 7 over 6 plus 7 plus 6 all over 8. So 7 plus 6 is 13. So you're going to have 13 all over 8. Right? And you say 8 into 13 is 1. 1 8 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Sorry. 8 into 13 is 1. So you're going to count how much from 8 to 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So your remainder is 5. So that means our numerator is 5. Our denominator stays the same, which is 8. So that using a calculator, find the exact value of this, which would be 1 and 5 over 8. And that is the end of June 2022, number 1, the fractions question.